Hello YouTube, just making a video today. I'm going on a walk from Cumnock Rugby Club into Dumfries Estate. Every time I go a walk, I'm always fed up looking and finding bags of dog poo and dog poo left behind. So we're just making this video today to see how much we can pick up. And here we go, we found the first dog of dog poo. We've just walked 10 yards.
And then you can like, invite them like, you just like, excuse me? And then she doesn't understand, and I'm like, oh, why don't you go?
And here we come across another one, 5 yards from the other one. There's another one left behind. You maybe can see my dog's on the way. I'll zoom in for you. Look. And there's another bag. Look. That's 4 from where I walked. 15 yards, there's 4 bags of dog poo. And then we came across another one, that's 5, and I've only been walking for 5 minutes. Hiya. And there's another one, 6. Oh, there's more, 7. And as you can see, here's another one, what's old, what's all spread everywhere. And responsible dog owners, they want a dog, but they don't want the responsibility what comes with it. And there's another one there, as you can see, and 2, look.